Comfort feels safe. You wake up, you scroll, you delay, you tell yourself you will start tomorrow. You protect your routine. You protect your feelings. You protect your excuses. And slowly your potential dies. Not in one dramatic moment. Not in one big failure. In small daily decisions. Comfort is dangerous because it feels harmless. You stay in the same job because it pays the bills. You avoid the gym because you feel tired. You silence your big ideas because you fear judgment. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you train your brain to avoid pressure. Growth demands friction. Strength demands resistance. Confidence demands action. The version of you that wins does not chase comfort. They chase progress. They wake up before they feel ready. They speak even when their voice shakes. They move even when motivation is missing. Comfort whispers, "Stay here, you are fine." Discipline says you are capable of more. Your potential is not destroyed by failure. It is destroyed by stagnation. Look at your life honestly.
Where are you choosing easy over necessary?
Where are you staying small to avoid discomfort? Where are you hiding behind convenience? The pain of growth is temporary. The pain of regret lasts longer. If you want a different future, you must accept present discomfort. Turn off the noise. Start the workout, make the call, launch the idea. Take the first step. Do something today that makes you uncomfortable. One action. One decision. One move toward the person you claim you want to become. Comfort is killing your potential. Discipline will bring it back to life. Choose wisely.